time to learn how to measure your own blood pressure. We're gonna go straight into it, so hit that like button if you're fired up for this, and let's go. Okay, so you've got your blood pressure machine and you are ready to go. So let's dive straight into tip number 1. Remember 30 minutes. Do not take your blood pressure within 30 minutes of eating, smoking, drinking strong caffeinated drinks, or exercising. You see, all of these temporarily increase your blood pressure, and we don't want that. By the way, make sure you watch to the end of this video because I'm going to teach you a new way to lower your blood pressure by looking at your lifestyle and making changes that you're never told. Step number 2, take a seat at a table and relax for 5 minutes. You need to have your back supported and also have your arms firmly on the table and feet flat on the floor. So this is going to be the position that we hold when we take our blood pressure. Do not cross your legs either, and also if you need to go to the toilet, make sure you go because all of those can increase your blood pressure. Also, if you wear a watch, make sure you take it off. Moving on to step number 3, you're gonna stretch your arm out, palm facing upwards. Next, you're gonna get your blood pressure machine and you're gonna remember the 2-finger rule, okay? So you're gonna put it on your arm like so. You want 2 fingers above the elbow like so. So where your elbow bends, you want about 2 fingers from the bottom of the cuff, and you put it on tight enough so that you can just about fit 2 fingertips into there. You don't want to be fitting a whole hand in there basically. That's the level of firmness that we want. Moving on to step number 4, cuff position, okay? Some cuffs have a little dot that you line up with your middle fingers. Other cuffs require you to get the actual tube to go down your middle fingers like so, okay? This is critical that you get right because the position enables the machine to detect vibrations, which allows it to calculate your blood pressure. And moving on to step number 5, final checks, okay? So firstly, cuff is in line with our heart, perfect. We're sat correctly, our arms are rested, our back is supported, our legs aren't crossed and firmly on the floor. Next thing we're gonna check is we're gonna make sure that the tube isn't being crushed under our arm, okay? This is really important that the tube is free, okay? Like so. So final check's done, and lastly, when you click that go button, no laughing, no talking, no chewing, nothing like that, because all of that can increase your blood pressure. And moving on to step number 6, once you've got your first reading, you're gonna wait 1 minute, and then you're gonna repeat it again. Easy as that. Now moving swiftly on to step number 7, monitor your blood pressure readings and lifestyle. Probably the most important part of this video because I see so many patients who either don't know what their blood pressure means, don't know how to analyze them or review them and know what to do with them. Now as a result, I have spent 2.5 years creating the Blood Pressure Monitor Pro app to help you record your home blood pressure readings, to know what they mean, know what to do about them, to see trends, and most importantly, for it to analyze your lifestyle and tell you what changes you need to make to help improve your blood pressure. And you can download it today. Just search on your app store, Blood Pressure Monitor Pro. Make sure that the icons match, however, or just click on the Apple Store or Google Play link in the description below and it will take you straight to it. There is a one-time purchase fee of 99 pence, 99 cents, 99 euro, wherever you are in the world, and that's it. No subscription costs, nothing like that, and you can start seeing what improvements you need to make to start lowering your blood pressure. So there you have it. You are now a pro at measuring your own blood pressure. If you also want evidence-based information on how to lower your blood pressure naturally, we have quite a few videos on them, which I'll link up here and in the description below. Always remember that you're awesome, and I will see you next week.